well, how to rewire your stabilizer when you get fault on the board. So you see, this is the fridge. You know, mostly stabilizers are for fridges, and you know the board is damaged, so you just have to do a rewiring for the transformer so that we can get a 220 volts for the fridge. You see, now we are seeing, meaning we are done with it, and it's probably working good. You see, this is the fridge plug. I just plugged in and it's functioning properly. So on this video, we'll go by step to step and get to know how we do the connections and how we got to achieve the result for this stabilizer to functioning, as the board has damage. And you know, so kindly follow the steps as you do it yourself in your house. When you have a board damage, you don't have to throw your stabilizers away. It needs to be fixed, and it's do it yourself, and it's easy. You can do it by yourself. And kindly subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video for others to get this knowledge as they get to repair their own stabilizers when the board is damaged. Because we know probably most of the times the board sometimes fails, and due to that some people just throw their stabilizers away. And you know, for this video I will teach you, guide you how to do it yourself in your house. So keep watching. Thank you all. Life cable has to connect to this pin. This is the neutral.